Hello guys, welcome. Today we are going to learn biochemistry, and what we want to do today is to know some of the monosaccharides, try to understand how they are written, how they are written in Fischer form, and try to memorize how to come up with a different monosaccharide using as one monosaccharide. So let's begin, and we are going to begin with listing some of the common monosaccharides that we know, and one of the common monosaccharides that we know is glucose. We have glucose, we have mannose, we have galactose, after galactose we have fructose, so let me just try to show you how these four are written in Fischer form. So one thing that you must know is you must master how glucose is written in Fischer form, and from the glucose you'll be able to know how mannose, galactose and fructose are come up with using glucose. So this is always the formula of glucose. Anywhere glucose will have this kind of structure everywhere in this world. It will have a 6 carbon, 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is our glucose. Sorry, this is our glucose. So if you check clearly, this is how glucose is written in Fischer form, and it will never change. It's always this way. So to be precisely, this is a D glucose. Just master it this way. In the next video I will show you why it is called a D glucose. So there is a keyword there that will help you to write the other monosaccharides, and the keyword is from the word isomers, we have something called epimers. So the word is D-glucose is an epimer to D-mannose in respect to carbon number 2. That is the first int, and the second int is D-glucose is an epimer to D-galactose in respect to carbon number 4. So after having these two words, this is the hint to help you write mannose, galactose. Then fructose will come later and I'll show you. So after having this means that D-glucose is the same as D-glucose, the structure of D-glucose and D-mannose, they are just the same. The only difference comes in carbon number 2. That is where you will find that the orientation of H and OH is different. By that what I mean is, see, this is this is our D glucose. So if you want to change it into a D mannose, it will come and it will be this way. CHO COH H C 3 4 5 6 OH H H H OH OH. So if you check these two structures keenly, you'll find that everything is the same apart from only in carbon number 2. That is where the difference comes from. So if it is this way, this one will name a D-mannose. That is where this int is helping you. D-glucose is an epimer to D-mannose in respect to carbon number 2. So they are the same, except on carbon number 2 is where the orientation of OH and H differs. So from the same glucose, we have another hint. D-glucose is an epimer to D-mannose to D-galactose in respect to carbon number 4. So what they mean is, this D-glucose is just the same as D-galactose, but only if you come to carbon number 4, there is a difference in hydrogen and hydroxide orientation. So if you want to write a D-galactose, it will be this way: CHO 2 3 4 5 6. So it will be the same except on carbon number 4. And here is the carbon number 4. We were supposed to have H this side, but now we are going to have OH this side and H the other side. Any other thing remains the same. Here we are supposed to have H, here we are supposed to have OH. So if you confirm these two structures, you'll find that they're the same except on carbon number 4. That is, here we are going to have a D galactose.